Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I have Galaxy Buds, as you can see. And today I'm doing a water test, but I already did a water test with these. I actually put it in a washer, but my video got corrupted, so I'm doing this again. And these are new pairs of Galaxy Buds, and I'll actually prove it to you right now. So I actually have both of the boxes my Galaxy Buds came in, and this is the original box. And on the right side, I actually have the box for the new Galaxy Buds. Now, if you look closely at this, you can see there's some differences with this. Now, I know I could have got this box from anywhere, but trust me when I say these are different. And I'll actually show you real quick that these do work. So I'm going to turn on Find My Earbuds, and now I'm about to go ahead and put it next to the phone. You should be able to hear that pretty loud. So yeah, these do work, but now I want to go ahead and put these underneath the shower and put it back in the washer. Alright, so I'm actually in my bathroom now, and if you look at these, you can see it's connected. And now I'm about to go ahead and just get right into it. So I'm turning on the shower. So here's the shower, here's the buds. Let's go ahead and put it underneath here, just get a little bit wet. So let's say you're in the rain or you want to go ahead and shower with your Galaxy Buds. We're going to see if it still works. So I'm just getting that drenched there, and this is some hot water. So let's go ahead and put these back and get the case kind of wet. And let's go ahead and do that. Getting a little bit wet. You probably don't need these to be that wet, so I'm gonna just stop right there. And now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn this off. And we're gonna bring this over to the kitchen and see if we can still hear these. Alright, so I'm in my laundry room now. Got my Maytag washer here. So they're still both connected, as you can see. So I'm about to go ahead and put these in my hoodie here. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Got a couple pants. And let's go ahead and do this. I'm even adding soap in here, so we're gonna try that too. Let's try to do this with one hand. This ain't very easy, but we gonna make it work. Alright, so I think that's good enough. Soap ain't free, so we can't do it forever. It'd be nice if I had Tide Pods, but it's okay. But alright, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead and put this on super. That's cool, warm, and then we're gonna put it on the super wash. We got the extra rinse on there, so we're good. Now it's going. And I actually got some soap on my fingers, so I gotta clean that off. But what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna come back when the water fills up. I'm gonna go ahead and do it mid-wash, and then when it ends, we're gonna see if it's open in the case or not. That's what I've been meaning to do in my original video, but we're doing it again now. So I guess I'll get back to y'all when this fills up. Be right back. Alright, it's in there now. Should have some more soap though. You see why I need a cameraman? It's a struggle right now. Well, I'm actually gonna go to the store right now and get some rice to put it in for the next 3 days. And what y'all think about this? You think it's gonna survive? Let me know in the poll above.
Hey Jody, which is better, an Acura or Subaru?
Alright, I got the rice. And if you look over here, look like it's on the spin cycle right now. So yeah, I don't really know how much longer this is gonna take, but it looks like it's halfway done now. So I guess it's gonna be done sometime soon. But yeah, so it already did the part where it dumped all the water out. Now it's on the spin cycle, and after that it's gonna go back to the rinse. And then it's gonna go to the spin cycle again, and we're gonna do the extra rinse. And then it's gonna be done. And you can see it's been about 25 minutes, so I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so it's on this last spin cycle right now. Most definitely need to take care of that though. That thing is clogged, that's crazy. And it's done. Where's those Galaxy Buds at? We're gonna just take these out one by one and see if we can find these and put them in the dryer. Are they still in the hoodie or aren't they? Where are they at? I don't think they're in here. Oh, wait, never mind. They're right there. They're not even open either. So, okay, I don't know why there's still water in here, but here they are. Here's the Galaxy Buds. They've been washed. They're kind of dirty too, which doesn't make sense because they were just in the washer, so you think they'd get washed too. But alright, thanks Maytag, you did it all, I guess. But let's go ahead and see if these still work. And just look at the ground, man. That's crazy. That's from that overflowing water over there. Let's go ahead and get these clothes dried though. I guess this video is kind of an excuse for me to actually wash my hoodie, but well, we're here now. Alright, so let's go ahead and dry these real quick. And that was pretty crazy. So I really thought it was gonna be open, but I guess not. And that part y'all just saw, that was the part that got corrupted in the last video, so I'm redoing it now. So let's see if these things actually connect or not, and they're pretty wet in there, but let's see if these actually connect. It's not looking like it. Let me go ahead and press connect real quick. And yeah, it's looking like it's not even connected at all. Last time it actually did connect and I could actually hear something, but this time it doesn't look like it. So guys, the Galaxy Buds just don't want to work. They got drenched in water after being in the shower and then the washers, so I'm not really that surprised, but at the same time I kinda am. Like, I thought they was gonna turn on at least, but I guess not. I got the rice here, of course, so we're gonna see over the next 3 days if it actually works or not. But right now, I'm not getting nothing. But I do hope it actually does dry and his rice and start working again. But I guess you guys learned so far that you don't want to keep your Galaxy Buds in your pants by accident or shower with them. But I want to go on and try one final thing, and that's wirelessly charging them. And I'm pretty sure you especially don't want to leave it in your dryer by accident, because I'm pretty sure that would be a disaster. Don't want to burn your house down. Well, let me go ahead and try this. And it looks like the light's on actually on the wireless charger dual, but there's nothing on the Galaxy Buds, so yeah, that's kind of scary. But okay guys, so I'll actually update you once it does hit 3 days. So what's the date today? It's the 28th, so I should have a video out on May 2nd. But yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I just want to show you guys this real quick too. Look what I did to my Galaxy S8, or I don't know what happened to it, but now it's doing this and like the screen doesn't even work anymore. Well, it kind of does, but not mostly. But now I gotta go ahead and get this thing fixed like for real this time. But that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. You can even see there's literally glass coming from the phone, like it's on my table right now. That's tragic.